Welcome to another video. Now today I want to show you the headlight restoration process on my recently purchased Mazda MX-5. Since I got this vehicle, one of the first things I wanted to do is actually clean these headlights because they are so dirty and so yellowed and so hazed up that you can actually barely see ahead, and they really aged the car's looks itself. So I ordered this random kit off of Amazon. It's called CERAKOTE. I mean, they're all similar. I'm not affiliated to anything. But the few things you can expect out of the package is make sure that you have the actual sanding discs, the actual headlight haze removing wipes, and finally you want to make sure that you have a good clear coat or polish application like a ceramic coating for the last process, which is very important. Now, only thing I'd suggest, whatever kit you use, it's fine, but make sure that you take this process with patience. Make sure you read through all the instructions, and then finally, when you're actually applying that clear coat final polish, make sure that you do it evenly and you basically reach the whole surface. Also, I'd suggest that tape around the paint or surrounding the headlights, or if you can remove the headlights, that's even better, just to protect the surface. You might have to go through a few pieces of tape just because as it gets soaked, it peels off easily, which you'll notice in this video. But other than that, just be prepared, and once you get started in this process, just keep on going. And I mean, it's a rewarding process. Once you reach the end, I mean, the difference you see, especially in these headlights, is night and day. No pun intended, but literally, I mean, you can just see so much better. The car looks so much newer, and it's a pretty rewarding process if you actually have to deal with very, very dirty headlights. So stay tuned. Let's get started. Next step is to sand the headlights. So we're gonna put our 2000 grit red disc, fasten it to the pad, and get our thing of water and start spraying and sanding. So already you can see the cloudiness coming on. I'm gonna put on the gray disc, which is about 3000 grit, and pretty much do the same thing, spray and scrub. Alright, so as we get prepared for the final coating, I just had to re-tape around the headlights a bit because it was very soaked and the tape was peeling off. But we're just gonna clean the headlights and then get ready for the final coat. Alright, so get your gloves on and get this final ceramic clear coating. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use one for each headlight and only do one wipe. So we're gonna go from top to bottom using a 50% overlap method. And that's it. They look so much more cleaner than before. It's like a night and day difference. Literally, I mean, when I was driving at night with this, I could barely even see with the headlights because they were so fogged up and clouded up. But now, I mean, I can actually see through the headlights. So I'm very happy with this. Let's see how it holds up. And I guess I'll show you some quick before and after pictures. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.